G'day guys, we're out here on an absolutely beautiful afternoon out of Queenscliff. We're on our brand new 255 Formula demo boat. This thing is super cool and I can't wait to show you what we did with this one. So we just sold our 255 hardtop demo. That thing's gone to a new home in Sydney and she was a beautiful boat. We decided to do something totally different with this boat. For starters, we've gone with a grey hull, which looks really cool, and we've matched it with a bimini top and a windscreen instead of an enclosed hardtop. We've been doing a lot of trips up north in WA and northern Queensland lately, and it's really hot. There's no need for the hardtop like we need down in Victoria and Tasmania, so it was really cool to do something different. Really helps the overall weight of the boat and budget too. Really good option. Just like its hardtop big brother, we don't have any pillars on the windscreen here. So even though we've got some clears up top, the windscreen piece itself is huge curved piece of glass. Unbelievable vision, really good when you're sitting down. Even when you stand down the back, you've got a good field of view out through the bow of the boat. Like all our 255, the windscreen model's got this awesome blank canvas of a dash here. Heaps of space here.
We've gone for two of the new Simrad NSS4 16-inch screens. There's actually room for a third screen here on the left, but on our demo boat we've decided to put our Fusion stereo and the Simrad radio, perfect for the passenger to operate and keep the tunes pumping while you're driving.
Out in front of the driver here, we've got a Scanstrut phone charger, a wireless phone charger. We've got the Seakeeper Ride trim tab module. We've got all our instrument panel with all our lights and pumps, Sav winch. We've got our up down, and we've also got this super cool counter which tells us how much line's coming in and out, which is really handy when you're anchoring in certain depths. Really nice modern dash. You've got plenty of space to set up exactly how you want to fish.
We've put an epic transducer in the keel of this 255 Sport. It's a CM599, so it's a cavity mount transducer, and it's got two elements in it. It's got our 1 kilowatt high wide transducer, which we use for our marlin fishing, tuna, whiting, everything. It's also got a 3 kilowatt low, which comes in handy when we're out over the shelf, blue eye fishing or sword fishing. That thing's going to give us a good bottom picture out in 500, 600, 700 meters. The team have actually installed that right in the center of the keel, and they've made a nice fiberglass fairing around it, which drops the transducer down below the keel line, which gives it a really clean picture at speed. Make sure there's no dirty water coming off any of the strakes further up the hull. Just gives incredible picture at speed.
Absolutely epic seating configuration on this 255. We've got our seat boxes, which are an insulated esky, plenty of dry storage or cold storage if you need it. We've got a BLA suspension base with our Deluxe seat on it. It's so comfortable. That with the footrests, you can sit here in any seat and just such a comfortable ride. Down at the back end, we've got a really special set of motors. This is a brand new set. Mercury just air freighted these into the country. They're the first set into Australia. They're a 350 Verado, so it's the V10 top end, but it's got a small V8 gearbox on the bottom. This gives us a really small lower leg, gives us plenty of opportunity to run all the prop range out of that Mercury offer, so it helps fine tune that boat and get it absolutely perfect. Not too much heavier than the V8 range, obviously incredible power and torque, and the fuel economy is really good still. It's funny, we always get a lot of comments on our social media and messages saying, oh, you always test your boats in flat water. There's a very big difference between boat testing and doing our photo shoots and handovers with new owners. Those we do in the bay in nice conditions. Prop testing, we use places like this. This is the Port Phillip Bay heads. This is the rip. This is one of the most treacherous conditions in Victoria, and it's something you've got to really be careful with. We've got a new set of props today. We're going to take it out through the rip and test in some really ugly water out the front. We're running a set of 4-blade revolutions on it. We're going to check all our fuel data and revs and see how the boat performs in some real conditions out there.